よ前はね藤井くん一緒に入るはずだったもんね。でもほら歌カフェでダメって言われちゃったからブログしなくなっちゃうね。前も遊んだ
何これケーキの目に入る4パーや
キャンディーと
パイン飴っていう大阪の有名な飴ちゃんがこれより中に
これにして
どうしたらもう一杯行こうかな。いやもう一杯行こうかな。
行ったらせっかくだし。
行きましょうねもう一本ね。
私も帰るよ。もう会えないし。
そうねじゃあもう一杯行こうかな。
じゃあ私は最後のこれ。
はい。
ザ花火。おお、色が変わってる。
Meet me at midnight. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Down on your knees, you're begging, please, you want it. My love's like fire in a leaf, you're burning. Down on your knees, you're begging, please, you want it. My love's so sweet, sweeter. If you think that you got it, hands up, put your money where your mouth is. If you think that you got it.
あ、緑じゃん。 since I last vlogged. I haven't vlogged all week, which is terrible, and I just really haven't felt like vlogging, to be honest. I've been going through the motions and I've just been going through it this week. I think I have a lot of mixed emotions about leaving Japan. I don't know, a part of me is excited to go back to Vancouver, and a part of me is really gonna miss my siblings, and a part of me really wants to stay here, but a part of me really wants to be back in my room and sleep in my bed. And I've just been thinking about a lot of things. There's a lot of things I need to figure out about my life, and I just feel like I haven't really been in the best headspace, so I haven't really been vlogging. And I've also been spending a lot of time with like my siblings and stuff, and it's been very like quality bonding time that I don't really feel like whipping out the cameras. Hope you guys understand. Obviously it's not gonna feel like much of a gap for you guys because these vlogs are just gonna be going up as much as I can upload them. That scared me. The machine is talking. Sorry, you guys don't really know what happened this week, but I hung out with some friends that I've made, and I did some shopping for some souvenirs and things like that. Yeah, I kind of realized that vlogging is hard for me when I'm not doing very well. Like, I'm not well, but I'm not like great. So I'm leaving on Monday, and it is currently Friday, so tomorrow I'm actually hanging out with a subscriber, which is very exciting. Hopefully she's okay with being in the vlog, because if not, then this is going to be my last Japan video. But if she's okay with being in the vlog, then I think I'll vlog tomorrow when I'm with her, and that'll be my last Japan vlog. But yeah, it's super sweet. She's like out here in Japan and she wants to make friends here, so we're going to go to like this amusement park together. It's like an indoor amusement park because the rain has been terrible. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys, so I'm at a laundry place right now, as you can clearly tell. And I'm here because I only brought one pair of sneakers on my current hotel getaway, and sorry, somebody came in to get their laundry. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so it's been raining. I'm currently in Shimbashi, by the way, and it has been raining like absolute craziness the past few days, and my shoes have been getting so wet and it's disgusting. So I really wanted to wash it. There's like a coin sneaker laundry thing machine over there, so I decided to wash my shoes, and I actually bought a new pair of shoes so that I have shoes to wear while I wait for those shoes. But yeah, I don't know, that was probably like, I didn't want to wait in my socks, and I don't know, it made sense when I bought it. But I've got new cute shoes. They're sandals. I'm wearing socks with them right now, but that's why I'm at the laundromat, because my sneakers were literally gross and ruined. Sorry, some more people came in. I don't even remember what I was saying anymore, but yeah, so I'm currently staying at this like capsule hotel called The First Cabin, and it's really nice. They have an onsen, which is like a hot springs. It's really nice, and I'm happy with it. Yeah, I can't speak though on the floor. Like, there's no talking, no eating, no whatever, no noise. So it'll just be like a silent little tour. But anyways, I just want to hop in here and just thank you guys so much for the support, and I really appreciate all of your comments, and I'm just grateful, and I'm excited for you to see all of the videos that I have for you. Oh, I got this new bag, by the way. I don't know if you guys even know what my original bag looked like, but look at this cute purse bag backpack. Look at that. It has bows on the side, which is, sorry, I'm covering it. Cute. And I put my pins on here. Look at how cute. A lot more spacious, which is really nice. Fits my camera, which is the most important, and I'm just happy. This is my new baby. I've been carrying that other one for the entire solo travel. I've been hanging out with friends a lot this week, which is really great. I'm just so happy that I made friends, and it's just wonderful. So I'm very happy about that. That is everything. I hope you all are doing super well. Please let me know how your day was today in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!